With a 3-year-old that only wants to eat chicken cutlets, I'm constantly trying to introduce new foods to him that he will actually enjoy. These Parmesan crusted pork cutlets are definitely something that he asks for more of constantly. If my taste tester approves, then I know they are a winner and safe to share with you. So let's make a big batch of these delicious pork cutlets.